Welcome. In this video we will learn how to create a recipe and linking it to an item for sale. Please note this is the first video of a series. Today we will be creating an apple pie. Step 1 will be taking our ingredients and adding them to a recipe. Go to Items and creating the recipe. Before we continue, please note that if you do not know how to create an item, then refer to the video labeled How to Create an Item. The ones in this video has previously been created. By pressing View we will select Ingredients. We are now within Ingredients. Next at the bottom we have added all ingredients as variations. We will now view individual items to see their traits for a better understanding. Here we have brown sugar. The type of item is an ingredient and is measured in weight, which refers to grams and kilograms. The name, type, unit of measure, SKU, and food type is the only necessary details needed for all items and not just recipes. And when done, click Save. Next, please note that different items in a recipe are measured in different ways. Such as milk, which is also an ingredient, and is measured in volume, which refers to liters and milliliters. At the bottom, as you can see, no other details or functions are ticked or have information within. And when done, click Save. Next we have butter. As you can see, it's an ingredient, and its measurement is count. This refers to each unit being equal to 1. Once again, at the bottom of this item there are no boxes ticked or information. And when done, click Save. Please note all measurements can be included in a single recipe. Next we will discuss matters relating to inventory. Before we start on this topic, if you do not know how to add inventory, please refer to the video How to Add Inventory. After creating each item, make sure to add inventory for each item, either what you have on hand or add a 0, if you have nothing on hand. Next you will notice that profit is negative or 100%. This is because these items are all ingredients and therefore we did not give them a selling price. Here all items are similar as that they produce no profit, they all have stock and are all categorized as ingredients. The next step is to create the item apple pie, which we have done beforehand. You are now within apple pie, and at the bottom under variations create and select apple pie. Once here select ingredients/recipe. Here you can add ingredients by clicking Add Ingredients/recipe. Once selected, the following will appear. Firstly, under Type you will select Ingredient, as we labeled our items as ingredients. Next, under Variation, select the ingredient you wish to add. Next, identify the quantity and the unit of measure. As you can see, we have added 1.94 kilograms worth of apples, and when done, click Save. Once back at Ingredients, you can see apples has been added, and we will now proceed to add all ingredients necessary. Here we have added 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Next is brown sugar. Next we have butter. Its unit of measure is count. The recipe on hand requires 70 grams of butter, therefore our quantity is 0.14 of our whole, which is 500 grams. We got this answer by taking 70 dividing it by 500 and got 0.14. Next, as you can see, we added all ingredients to our ingredient list. At the bottom we have a total of 206 rand and 38 cents, which represents the cost to create the apple pie. And that completes part 1. Thanks for watching.